Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So start with opening the dialer, and if you want to learn more about the secret codes, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box. You will be transferred to our website where you can find the codes and additional info about them, or many more tutorials regarding this device. So let's start with the shortest code, which is *06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, thanks to which we can open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426###, and here we've got the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, and time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, you can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##4636###. And here we've got the testing mode where we can check the phone information and usage statistics. So simply tap on it and you will be transferred to the list of the apps on your device. You can change the sorting type by usage time, last time you used, or app name, and you can check for how much time you're using specific apps, and phone information where you can check the email number and the car network, data network type, voice service. You will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. Under it you've got to run the ping test, you can run it, and here you've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.